Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool foot massager that this brand sent to me for the video, which is actually a 3-in-1 foot massager. This thing, it is really, really good just to have under your desk, for example, or where your bed is, or where you're watching TV or something like that. This one is really good to have. It's a 3-in-1, so if you are working for long periods of time, or after like working out, or before going to bed, or if you're watching TV or something like that, having this one could be really beneficial, which by the way, you can see that it has 3-in-1. So let's actually start with the first one, which is this one right here that you can actually take it out if you need. This thing right here, you can put it in the fridge if you need. I don't think you have to because it is really cold by itself. You can see this one over here. It is really cold by itself. But then if you put it in the fridge, actually what you're gonna find is that it has kind of like a semi conductive gel or something inside that it will keep it super cold for longer time. And this one also, actually you can kind of like swaps the modes if you want. I don't think it's necessary. You can just like rotate it and that's gonna be it. You don't have to, but if you want to do one on the upper section, you will have to rotate it. And the other two, which I made of silicone, by the way, this thing is really heavy, so it will stay in place. The other two that are made of silicone, they're also really nice. Let's take a closer look. So with this one, I do think that these are made for like different situations and different occasions. For example, this one right here, you can roll. You can roll. Oh yeah, you can roll both feet if you want, if you have the room, or you can just like do one each. But this one feels so nice. I have to say that having this one under your desk is gonna be super beneficial. And then you can kind of like swap it. Oh, feels so nice. Yeah, it feels this for being tired all day or something like that, or for a person that is on your feet all day. These are gonna be super good. Let's take a closer. So then we can swap the whole thing and we put the cold one, which is gonna be a nice one if you put it in the fridge again, and you can do it this one without the socks. Yeah, this is gonna be really nice. But the one that I think is gonna be really beneficial just for the end of the day is this one right here, because this one, besides the working out your whole feet over here, kind of like putting some pressure, I think this section over here, the middle one with the ball and doing this, oh yeah, for all sweet spot. Yeah, really nice with the ball. Feels so nice. So for the end of the day, each one of these could be really good, or just for when you're working for a long time, or just like being on your foot all day, like on feet all day, that could be really good. I love this thing. Super good and beneficial just to have under your desk and just use it for every occasion. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing this. Thanks for watching and see you soon.